take a 22mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Take the wheel off. Use a 21mm socket. Take this nut off right here on the top. You can take a hammer and just give it a tap on the bolt to try to hit it out, or just use an air hammer. Now take the cam adjusting bolt. This side is going to slide in over here. You can use a 16mm wrench. And take this washer. This is going to go on this side. And there is a little tab that's going to go in between the bolt and the strut and the nut. I use a 15mm wrench, 18mm socket. Tighten this down. And then with a torque wrench, we'll torque this to 136 foot-pounds. Install the front wheels. Put the lug nuts on. And I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. Do the same on the other side.